and welcome to my next Executive Series video. Our topic today, sterilization cycles and families. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Check out the status bar below for our agenda. Stick around to the end for our bonus questions. Our topic, sterilization cycles and families, is covered by 1345, section 7.5.6 and 7.5.7. Sterilization cycles and families in 5 words. Similar sterilization cycles grouped together. When we have more than one sterilization cycle within our company, we now have the ability to evaluate those sterilization cycles and group them together based on common or similar characteristics that they may have. When we evaluate our sterilization cycles, what we are going to actually compare are the various elements that we need to consider when we do a sterilization validation. Things like preheating time, chamber size, chamber layout, time, temperature, pressure, off-gassing time. Whatever process parameter, whatever overall equipment parameter is very important to the success of your sterilization process, well, those are the characteristics that you will compare, and then you can group those processes together based on the similarities. Any sterilization cycles that you group together, you need to document the rationale that supports why they're grouped together. That rationale, it can be documented within your validation plans. It can be documented in your master validation plan. It could be documented in a standalone quality plan or procedure. Wherever it's documented, it needs to be formally captured within the quality management system, and the rationale supporting the groupings or the families also needs to be captured. So how do I know this is working? First, all of my sterilization cycles, they have defined operating parameters, and those operating parameters, those process settings, the process equipment settings, they're all validated. Second, if I choose to group any sterilization cycles into a family, the rationale to support those families is captured within my quality management system. And then finally, for each sterilization cycle and or family, I do my annual revalidation of those sterilization processes. How do I know it's not working? Well, first, I've got sterilization processes and the critical parameters are not documented. So all of my cycles themselves, they're not really defined that well. Second, if I try to group any sterilization cycles within the same family, well, I didn't document the rationale for why they're grouped together. And then third, my sterilization cycles, they're not revalidated annually. And if they're in a product family, the revalidations aren't done according to the due dates. And now for the 3 bonus questions. Do we have any sterilization cycles that are grouped together into families? If yes, please give me those cycles. Second, can you give me the documented rationale to support why these sterilization cycles are grouped together into a family? And then finally, how do we ensure or how do we select which cycle from the product family gets revalidated in any given year? Is it random, or is there some procedural requirement that outlines how we select which cycle goes through the revalidation? Can you show me the procedure where that is captured and documented? Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Send any questions to me at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained, making quality systems simple for you.